Welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to archive Reels on Instagram. So let's go forward and open the Instagram app right here. And then go to our profile picture at the bottom right. And then go to the Reels section. So as you can see right here, there is this Reel that I have posted. And if I'm going to tap on this Reel, it will going to show up. And now all I have to do is hit the icon with the three lines right here and select the download option in order to save this reel to my gallery. So right now this reel has been saved to my camera roll. So what I'm going to do next is hit again this icon with the three dots right here, and then I'm going to delete the reel because there is actually no other option instead of deleting this reel right here. So now the reel is saved to my camera roll, and if I want, I just can re-upload the reel, and I'm going to have it saved into my archive. So this is all for today, and if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.